flaky.
Yeah, totally.
Well, then I'm okay with being high maintenance.
Yeah, and I am okay with being a pushover. That's great. Good for you guys. It's just, you're just kind of high maintenance. Okay, let's go to lunch.
That is completely untrue.
Oh, man, now I have to get those done, too?
Wow, talk about high maintenance.
Hey, you dye your hair?
I'm a woman.
Ah, double standards.
Oh, hey, why don't you tell them what you were telling me earlier about me not being high maintenance?
Monica is a self-sufficient, together lady. Being with her has been like being on a vacation.
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word maintenance. It means the act of maintaining, the maintenance of proper oral hygiene. Also means the state of being maintained, the maintenance of friendly relations with England. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce maintenance, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the first syllable, corresponding to main. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how maintenance is used in real life.
You're a little high maintenance.
What you were telling me earlier about me not being high maintenance?
So, maybe I am a little high maintenance. And,
Well, then I'm okay with being high maintenance.
yeah,
And that's good too. So they can say that you're high maintenance.
Kind of high maintenance. Okay, let's go to lunch.
And what may be perceived as high maintenance is
Wow, talk about high maintenance.
Hey, you dye your hair?
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.